The 36th participant in the Silva challenge is Aaron Glaab. Now, when I wrote Aaron about his name coming up on the list, he made some comment back about not taking it easy on him or something like that. I take it easy on anyone? No, maybe there's some people I punish with really crappy boxes. But I think they're all pretty crappy. So anyhow, but I'll intentionally not be nice. Here's a Matchbox super fast boat. Some kind, yeah. It has almost all of the intake things. Yeah, I'm doing this kind of late at night, and yeah, things have been a little hectic around here. I'm tired. Nothing screams. I'm also trying to get some builds done for some upcoming things. I haven't even started my Silva Winter in the Wasteland build yet. And I don't know. I just have stuff I need to get onto. So nothing screams post-apocalyptic world than a limo. Yeah, Aaron. Ooh, nothing screams post-apocalyptic than dual limos. How about that? What you gonna do with that, Aaron? Oh, that's kind of cool. I want to keep that. I don't know what the hell it is, but it looks creepy and ghosty and should have a windshield probably, and it's a Matchbox Lotus Super 7. Huh. It's cool looking. Well, that I'm setting aside for me. But I'm going to give you a combination plane car with propeller thing dogfight. That is a Hot Wheels. It says Dogfighter. I want to call it a Foo Fighter. But anyhow, yeah. My mind is drifting tonight. I'm sorry. That's weird. A shark. I'll give you a shark. I love these little shark cars. I've used them for all kinds of stuff. I love the engine on the sharks. So I'm sure you'll figure out something cool to do with that. Right now you're probably saying to yourself, oh crap. How about a land speeder? Yeah, you can never go wrong with a land speeder. Out of those Hot Wheels black boxes, I got land speeders and Batmobiles coming out of my ears. So how about a Batmobile? I have obviously thrown some of those things in here. Huh. Hot Wheels Attitude. I don't know what the livery is supposed to be on that, but it is obviously worn and funky. Funky. At this point, some of you are asking yourselves, how much does Jim drink? Oddly enough, I don't drink. I may have had too much coffee today, but that's kind of cool. What is that supposed to be? Is that a Thunderbird? I think it's a Ford Thunderbird. I think it's a race edition of a Ford Thunderbird. It's my guess. Oh, there we go. There's something weird. It's too bad the engines are kind of broken on it, but that is a Arachnorod. If that would come off, if the spider, and it looks like it would, that might be kind of cool. Mounted on the top of something. The hell? I have no idea what this is supposed to be, Aaron. It almost looks like it holds something. It's a funky little truck thing. Triple. Yeah, I'm trying to get it to focus there. I have no idea. Triple triexters. All I know is that can go. Yeah, that's kind of nice. I think I've done that before. I think it's a Porsche, if I remember right. Not the expert on Porsches. What else do we have in here? This looks like some kind of commemorative. 68 to 2001, number 33. It looks like San Francisco Giants colors. But I'm sure somebody out there knows what that is. But I don't. The Lethal Diesel. That has a post-apocalyptic look all on its own. You know, this thing would look so nice just bathed in Nuln Oil to bring out some of the details and get rid of the stupid chrome windows. The box is filling up fast, Aaron. And I haven't given you anything too terrible yet. I don't believe. Oh, how about an old Hot Wheels black wall Bronco? Ford Bronco with top I think will come off of there, and the motorcycle on the back, so you could somehow incorporate that into a post-apocalyptic escape. I haven't put any construction vehicles. I apologize for the noise of this. Oh yeah, here you go. Gotta go. Oh Lord, it's a Lambo. Lambo with the ugliest possible wheels. Yeah, Countach slightly bent rear wing. But I see, you know, it's weird when I do these things. I'm seeing things incorporated into a single vehicle, which is actually the direction I think my Winter in the Wasteland build is going to go. It's going to be a vehicle comprised of multiple vehicles, of which, in fact, I've set this aside to use as part of the build. Basically the tank, I think I'm going to use that, but it's all metal, which, yeah. And then this thing, which, you know, that's a transporter vehicle Matchbox, 1985, that I'm tempted to use that as something. This has a Space 1999 look to me anyway, which is kind of cool. Lord, I think that might be it. I think I've got... Let me move this out of the way. So I think I have enough weird stuff in here. Sorry for being away from the microphone there for a second. Let me set that over there. I apologize again for rambling, but my mind is just kind of off tonight. I've got these little dudes. They're a bunch of little, like, World War I, I guess, dudes. I've got a few of these. I have no idea where I got them. But they're, like, rubbery dudes. Kind of rubbery. And they've got, like, arms with stuff. Anyhow, let's see if I can put this closer. I believe they are about 1/75th scale, which, you know, push comes to shove, is pretty damn close to 1/64th. So there's that. I just printed a bunch of wheels. You may notice I changed the color of the PLA filament to this gold stuff that happened to be on sale. Well, let me rephrase that. I don't know that it was on sale. It was just at a lower price than the other colors when I had to buy a roll of it. And being cheap as I am, when given the opportunity, I try to save a buck. So let's give you some guns. Obviously, I print some of these in the gold PLA too. So I have some guns, have some bigger guns. Giving you a couple of these cool skulls that people have been incorporating into recent builds, which is great. I love that. Here's a cool trick on the rockets. I changed the PLA mid-print, and you'll see where the rockets are gold and the base turned out white, which was, oh, trippy. But that fell in the spot with some little skulls. So, let me give you some little skulls. That's fall all over the place. Yeah, stringy stuff. And spikes. And more rockets. I hope all of you enjoy these videos. I know they're kind of goofy the way I do them. I'm trying to figure out a better way to do some of these. And I've made changes to my regular videos to hopefully make them more entertaining to watch and to help get a great cross-section of viewers, trying to get more people who haven't seen the stuff that we do before to check it out. And yeah, I know I'm rambling again, but I've kind of gone down a rabbit hole recently, well, in the past couple months, watching a ton of videos on how to increase your viewership and that kind of thing. And it seems to be working, and that pleases me to no end. The people, it's important to me that these videos are entertaining. I think that's the bottom line, is I want people to enjoy watching them. So I hope you enjoy these as I torture Aaron. We can all take some sadistic joy in watching Aaron suffering as he tries to build something out of this. And I'm just throwing all kinds of stuff in there. So, how about a couple barrels? I don't think I threw any barrels in there. Let's throw some barrels in there too. So, Aaron. This is the box that's heading to you with two, count them, two cool limos. I truly can't wait to see what you do with those. Anyhow, everybody, thank you so much for watching these videos. Encourage Aaron to knock this one out of the park. Yeah, and that has looks like a San Francisco Giants edition of something in there. Everybody, thanks for watching these videos. Stay safe and healthy out there. Have fun. Enjoy the holiday season. Enjoy your families. And that's what it's all about. And thank you to this community for all of the support you've given me. And catch you in the next one.